Hi, welcome back. On this episode, we're going to try removing a seal. In this case, it's going to be the seal on a pinion of this 97 Chevy on the rear diff. I've seen before where people have used screws. They screw a couple screws into the seal and then just pull it out with pliers. So let's try that and see if it works. Don't forget to subscribe and click the notification button, and check me out on Instagram and Facebook at Clara Garage. Let's get started. And now we got to remove the seal. So you can use a pry bar or a seal remover tool to pop it out. But I've seen some videos online there where people are just putting a couple screws in it and then pulling it out with pliers. So I'm curious to see if that works. So we're going to try that and see what happens. And I do got two different screws to try. I'm going to start out with just a regular drywall screw. And then if that doesn't work, I'm going to use a number 10 panhead screw. The threads are a little closer together, and I figure it will pull a little bit easier out, or it'll grip a little bit better. Alright, so we got the 4 screws in, 90 degrees apart. Let's see if this actually works or not. That just kind of pulled out. Alright, so those ones pulled out, so let's try the panheads, see if they're any better. Alright, same thing, let's see what happens. Oh, that's actually moving. And that did work. That's perfect. So there's our seal there. You can see that I tried in those 4 spots with the drywall screws first. And it distorted a bit but didn't pull it out. Maybe it loosened it a bit, who knows for sure. And then I put the 4 panheads in and tried that, and it pulled out pretty easy actually with the pliers. So I'm pretty satisfied with that. Alright, so that was a success. It did work. It actually worked pretty good. When you put the screws in, you want to make sure you don't go so far in that you're getting into the bearing or that kind of stuff. You want to go in just enough so they have a little bit of bite, so it has full thread engagement, but you don't want to go so far that you're doing any damage. But I would say that that was a success. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and click the notification button. And check me out on Instagram and Facebook at Clara Garage. Have a great day.